welcome to Scribbles from Emily. I'm Emily and this is Edison, and today we're going to talk about Fab Fit Fun. When you sign up, it's a subscription for a year, so you get 4 boxes, one for each season, and they cost $49.99 each, so $50 each. I finally decided to splurge on it for myself as my prize for doing the half marathon. So I bought the spring box. I haven't opened it yet. I'm really excited to see what's in it. And Edison's really excited too. He's wanted to open it since the day it came, right before the half marathon. So he's gonna help me open it and find out what's inside.
Yeah, let's go find some scissors. I'll go get my little scissors.
Okay, perfect. So when I ordered the box, I might have been sick and had a fever, but I also had a coupon code for $10 off. So it was only $39.99. So I decided...
Whoa. Don't run around with scissors.
Yeah.
Thank you. So I decided I could justify it with this spring box being my reward for the half marathon. Then the summer box can be a birthday present to myself. The fall box, I haven't figured that one out yet. But the winter box, of course, will be a Christmas present to myself. So I will come up with something to justify the fall one for sure. Maybe another race. The main question that I want to answer about the box is if it's actually worth it. If the products are things that I actually would like to use. It claims that the products inside are worth over $200. I think around $250. That's a good deal if it's stuff that I'll actually like and use. So let's see. Ooh, what's that? This is the magazine. Got Venus Williams on the front.
This is the food.
Food? Oh yeah, $50 gift card for HelloFresh. Oh, that should be kind of nice. What did you find?
Okay.
What is it?
I don't know.
Let's find out. Okay.
Papa!
Oh!
My popping bag!
Wait. Okay, you can get the popping bags out. Don't take anything else out yet. We gotta save it for a surprise. This is exciting. I stole one of Brian's water bottles from work. And maybe, oh, I like that. This can replace it. So it's just plain black, but that's actually kind of nice. So you can do hot and cold beverages in here. What are you taking out? What is that?
It's opening thing. Give me the scissors.
Ooh. Look.
This is perfect for mixing stuff.
Yeah.
Like we can make bath bombs.
We could make bath bombs.
We can make bath bombs with these.
Yeah, that's perfect. Oh, I like those. Those will match my measuring cups. What's that?
Let's get this flap off.
Yeah, Breathe. Rose, Garden of Blooms. Your MUMU. What else do we have?
Soap.
Soap? Ooh, Purifying Face Cleanser.
Look at what?
Perfect. I just needed some of this and I got something else. So now I've got this for my backup. What's that?
See?
Ooh, Way Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner. Ooh, look at that. What is that?
A candle.
A candle?
Yeah, if we open it, you can see.
Wow.
Let's see what's in there.
It's not a candle. It is champagne charcoal scrub.
Look at it.
Ooh, exfoliant champagne.
There's some
charcoal scrub. Oh, it's pretty. Look at how pretty that is and shiny. That's perfect too because I was almost out of my bath scrub. But it smells good.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
Can I smell it?
Can you smell it?
No. There's something that's growing here.
There's something in there.
Yeah. Try to open it. I think we're gonna have to make scissors. When I made the kettle open.
Mm-hmm. Well, there's no tape on it, so I don't think we need to cut it open.
Okay.
This is Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. And, ooh, look at that. I'm excited for that. I'm all about everything rose. Oh, that smells like roses.
Can I
Wow.
smell it?
It's like they just bottled up a bunch of rose petals.
A box.
Yeah. Last thing. What is it?
There's something. Can you open it?
Yeah. No more baggage. Eye depuffing gel. I need some of that. I've never used a eye depuffing gel before. This will make my eyes look not tired, I think. Ooh, it's in a pretty little tube. Does that smell good?
Yeah. Smell it.
Yeah. That's everything in the box.
Wow, we can use all the stuff for all the stuff.
Yeah. Let's see, what am I most excited about? I'm probably most excited about this bathrobe. It's really pretty. Perfect for spring. Or the water bottle. I am really excited about that. I've been using one of Brian's, and so now he can have that back. Pretty much everything in here I'm very excited about, so I think that's a good sign for my first Fab Fit Fun box. So in here, it says what's inside the box. There are, I guess, a lot of different options for something. So like instead of the rose night cream, they could have put in a picnic set or some sunglasses in a couple different styles. So that is my prize for doing the half marathon. And that's what's in my first Fab Fit Fun box. I mentioned before, I have a coupon code. Careful with the scissors. I have a coupon code for $10 off of your first Fab Fit Fun box. I'll put the link to that in the description below, so you can get one for $39.99 instead of $49.99. And also,
Look at Mom. Hey, hit it.
and I also have a special deal. When you sign up for Fab Fit Fun, they allow you to give 5 mini boxes away. So if you'd be interested in testing it out, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Leave a comment below with your favorite thing from this box, and I will pick a handful of you guys and contact you about how to get your free mini Fab Fit Fun box. I do believe you have to pay shipping though. I'm not 100% sure how that works. So if you're not interested in that, totally fine. But if you are, let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye. Instead of this, you could have gotten a backpack or diffuser. Instead of this, I could have gotten a jump rope.